Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. Welcome back once again in my YouTube channel White Loop Robotech and Automation. Today we are going to learn how to data transfer from one Arduino to another Arduino by using 433 MHz radio frequency medium. Let us start. This is schematic diagram of transmitter part. This is 433 MHz radio transmitter. It has approx 100-meter range without any obstruction. Data pin is connected to D12 pin of Arduino. Button is connected to D6 pin. Here is when I will press the button, it will send to data to receiver and receiver will decide what that should do according to data. Now we will see Arduino programming. This is program for transmitter. Here I am using virtual wire library. This is 6 number of trigger pin. LED is connected to 13 number because when I will press the button and send data, that time LED will be on. This is data pin input is 12 number. Here LED pin as a output, trigger pin as a input. This function initialize the virtual wire software and this function will decide the data pin, and this is data sending speed bit per second. It should be same in transmitter and receiver part. State variable will store the state of button. If button will be pressed, then it will be high, otherwise it will be low. If button will be pressed, then data A will be sent. Here is send function in which we have to pass data and data length. When button will be pressed, then data A will be sent and LED will be glow. If button will be not pressed, then 0 will be sent and LED will be turned off. Here we will check the board, Arduino Nano, old bootloader and comport 19. Okay, I will compile and upload. Compiling done successfully. You can see here, this is transmitter part and this is receiver part. When I will press the button, LED will be glow, but now we uploaded code on transmitter part. Then I will just test. I will press this button. You can see on the board, LED will turn on when I press the button. LED is on and not press, then LED turn off again. Okay, now we will see receiver part. So I will eject the cable and insert in receiver part. This is a schematic diagram of receiver. Here I am using radio frequency receiver. Data pin is connected on 12 number, it's same, and LED is connected on 6 number. And this is antenna, just open wire. When button will be pressed on transmitter part, then this LED will be turned on. We will see Arduino programming. Here I am using virtual wire library and LED is connected on 6 number and data pin is 12 number. Here initialize the virtual wire software and initialize the data pin. This is sending data speed and start board as a receiver. If it will get the message and it will check the message. If message is A, then LED will be on. If message is 0, then LED will be turned off. I will again compile and upload. Compiling done successfully. If I will press the button, LED is turn on, and left the button, LED is again turn off. You can see there is no connection between both board. This is power supply wire, this is plus 5 voltage, and this is ground. So guys, I hope you understood this and you enjoyed this video. So guys, please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.